A day in the life of Haight Street.
Yeah.
Brought to you by Ryan and Paul.
Hell yeah.
Today we are on the way to the
Oh.
Slice House.
We are. You can already tell, bro. People skate the hell out of these. You can tell.
Skateboard marks.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have some nice Italian food. And since Haight is such a cool neighborhood, I thought I'd bring you guys along and check it out.
Yeah, why not?
Look at that house. Pink. Rock and roll.
I
Yeah.
I've done love, really love, but I ultimately like not crying on the phone.
What is he listening to?
I don't know. Those guys are chill as fuck, though. Those guys are awesome.
Just Slice House. Some of the best pizza right here. Okay, this is called the Detroit. Look at that thing.
Pepperoni.
And Ryan's got the pepperoni there. This is the good stuff.
Little deep dish.
We are going to go into the Haight Street Market because this is a cool market. And look, there's a kid in the window. Is he? Might be a kid for sale. Let's see how much he is.
Yeah.
It's a kid like in the window. Got a fruit in here, huh? Wow, now this is a good,
And that's what I got Chris for.
a good representation of some nice alcohol.
I got that one for
Amazing avocados. Bag of peppers.
gorgeous.
I love the way they display everything. What are you gonna get? Tomatoes.
That's a beautiful can.
Sake.
Sake? Oh, okay. Can. That's a beautiful can.
Craft sake. Nice. Got all this amazing beer selection here too. Rust and Ruin. Party Time. Holy Ghost Pilsner.
They have
Black Wolf.
32s. They don't have 40s,
Modelo,
but they have 32s. They don't have 40s, but they have 32s. So you
No 40s, but 32s are in the house.
32s.
They got some wine. Good selection of everything, huh? They probably have my favorite yogurt. Yep. This stuff is so good. Brown cow. Brown cow yogurt is the bomb. Favorite yogurt of all time, brown cow. Stuff is so good. These guys have quite the selection. What is this? Dessert section. Oh my god. Strawberry tart, baked berry tart, Dutch apple tart. My god, this looks so good.
It does, yeah.
Little cake.
Heart cake.
Cheesecake.
Tres leches. Tres leches.
And their meat section is incredible too. Oh, looks so good. Ryan, look at the sushi they got. Wow. Look at that. It's only 16 bucks the whole thing.
That's actually really good.
I know. That's my point. Giant thing of sushi, happy heart
Yeah,
platter.
that's not bad at all. Oh, yeah.
Wow, it's a good deal.
Yeah, it is. If I was here at Chris,
Oh, you came here?
no, if I was.
Twice baked potatoes, ribs. It's all delish. All delish. Kids in the window. Japanese stuffed animal store.
Yeah, they close in 2 hours.
The smoke shop?
Yeah, so they're still open. Yeah, those guys over there.
Fat Freddy's cat.
Like, one
I like
time.
the little plant garden they got here.
Oh yeah,
The mushrooms.
that's cool. One time I was here, and I was walking down, and they chatted with me for a little bit, and they were nice. They were really kind.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, no, the people here like are super chill.
Yeah.
Like,
Haight Street chill.
yeah. For the most part.
Yeah, there's always going to be a couple tweaks. Ben & Jerry's ice cream.
How much for a scoop?
I want some fish food, please.
Shit, $11 for a shake.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Well, that's out of control. Is this it? No.
Well, it's one more block.
Famous leg house. So the Haight Street is kind of quiet today on this rainy day. Look at these outfits. Look at that.
Yeah.
Some wild outfits. I'm getting distracted by all these window displays. This is the famous leg house. Check out this window display, Ryan. Pretty cool. Even the little girls
Yeah, that's cool.
dressed up.
Oh,
Cow
Stone
bomb.
cow.
The udder is where you put the smoke.
yeah.
Yeah, that's a pretty good one. Hippie Thai street food. Or hippie Thai, yeah. I wonder what hippie Thai street food means.
Yeah, I don't know. I wonder if it's pretty good.
Why is it hippie? What ingredient?
I have no idea.
And this place on the corner is always cool to check out. We're not going to go in there today, but they always, it's a lot of good energy in there. They're always welcoming people in. If you're curious about that particular store, I did a full video of the inside of it a couple years ago on my channel. So check it out if you're interested in this particular store. It's pretty cool. All right, we'll cross it over.
Around April 12th, you guys
Banana
both
slug
like
Haight.
glass blowing. It's like
All right. The sun's coming out now.
It is.
Got a little pooch. There's always new artwork on that wall.
There is, yeah.
Every time you come here.
Cool.
Hey, doggy.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Down below.
Yeah.
It's very cool. You got some cool window displays too. Alice in Wonderland. Tattoo place. The tennis shoe place. Special tennis shoes. Skeleton cat over there, I think. Or fox or something. Thanks for coming with us today on this short, brief walk through the Haight Street on March I think it's March 12th. Pretty sure. March 12th. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Peace.